Want to get the best sound out of your Sony ULT speaker? Today, I'll show you how to adjust the audio on the ULT FIELD 3 and ULT FIELD 5 all in under 90 seconds. On the ULT 3, press the ULT button. That activates ULT Power Sound, a bass boost you can feel. Press it again to turn it off. Each press gives you a sound cue and the light changes so you know the mode. The ULT 5 gives you even more control. Press the ULT button once for ULT 1, deep bass. Press again for ULT 2, punchy, powerful sound. And one more time to turn it off. You'll always hear a chime and see the light change as you switch. For even more options, open the Sony Sound Connect app. Go to Device Settings and you'll see the Sound Effects section. Here, you can also switch between the different ULT modes directly from the app. If you want even more control, select Custom EQ and fine-tune the sound exactly how you want it. You'll also see Sound Field Optimization, which automatically tunes audio to your space or environment no matter where you are. So remember, the ULT 3 has one bass boost mode, the ULT 5 has 2 levels of bass plus off, and both can be customized through the Sony Sound Connect app. That's how you control your sound on the ULT FIELD 3 and the ULT FIELD 5. Quick, powerful, and made to fit your vibe. Thanks for watching.